So it's been a while since we've actually done a video. We just posted one a few seconds ago, and we posted one about an hour ago, but I've had that for a little bit. So if you have any video requests for us to do, which we already have some that we're going to try to do, like this week, but if you have any more, inbox them to us, and we're going to try our best to do them. Alright? So we'll have
like
more videos.
Anything like gymnastics, tumbling. We'll even try to get like a video at our gym doing like back talks and hands on.
Yeah, but we'll do our best. Okay. That was so me. I'm so easy to do. Alright, but if you have any video requests, just inbox them to us, and we will do it as quick and best we can. Alright? Because we have like 2 or 3 waiting, so we're going to be uploading a few more, hopefully this week.
So stay tuned, people.
Yeah. Alright. So, another burping video. Alright.
I was burping.
Oh,
I did the thing. I did it like in the beginning.
Oh my god, stop. Alright, I'm not even gonna try, because then it'll actually come out. I feel one coming. It works after a few attempts of a burp. We can even try a burp tutorial, another one, again. Don't stop. Alright.
I smell like fuckers.
No, you don't. Alright, let's make weird faces while burping. That's my signature face, like. No, I'm just kidding. You're weird.
You see my face? Look.
I know. Look at your nose. Like your eyes twitching. Do I look cute? Am I pretty? Alright, that's really good. Alright.